Did you know beekeeping can give you 8 to 10 income streams, not just honey? It's true. With the right approach, honeybee farming can become one of the most profitable small-scale agribusinesses today. In today's video, we're uncovering powerful ways to multiply your earnings through honeybee farming. Stay with us till the end. You might discover income sources you never imagined. Honey is still the king of profits. Selling raw, unprocessed honey directly gives you premium prices because of its purity and health benefits. Experiment with flavors like cinnamon honey, ginger honey, or tulsi honey to attract premium buyers. And don't forget, partnering with supermarkets, organic stores, or restaurants ensures steady income all year round. Beeswax is gold in disguise. Turn it into eco-friendly candles, lip balms, creams, or lotions. Or simply sell pure beeswax to artisans and DIY creators. This small byproduct can quickly become a big earning opportunity. Propolis is packed with antimicrobial properties. It's used in tinctures, capsules, throat sprays, and premium skincare products. Selling propolis to herbal, cosmetic, or pharmaceutical companies can give you consistent, high-value returns. Royal jelly is one of the most high-value products in beekeeping. It boosts immunity, increases vitality, and is used in anti-aging serums and health supplements. Partner with wellness brands to scale your sales even further. Bee pollen is a nutrient powerhouse. Marketed as a superfood for smoothies, breakfast bowls, capsules, and powdered supplements. Growers also buy pollen to increase their crop yields, another strong income source. Bee venom, also known as apitoxin, is extremely valuable. It's used in apitherapy for treating arthritis, inflammation, and multiple sclerosis. It's also a premium ingredient in luxury anti-aging skincare, stimulating collagen and reducing wrinkles. Even small quantities can earn big money. Renting your bees for pollination is one of the most profitable income streams. Farmers growing apples, almonds, berries, cucumbers, and many more crops depend heavily on bees. Greenhouses also hire colonies for controlled pollination. This service alone can bring in year-round income. As more people start beekeeping, selling starter colonies and high-quality queens is in great demand. You can also offer training workshops to help beginners and earn extra income while building community impact. Leftover hive materials can be sold for compost, soil enhancers, lubricants, and polishes. Industries buy these in bulk, giving you another dependable revenue stream. Beekeeping offers endless opportunities beyond honey. By tapping into these multiple income streams, you can build a profitable, sustainable, and environmentally friendly business. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming insights.